In Hicad, you can automatically add sheet metal parts to a 3D part, even if the 3D part comes from a completely different CAD system. I load the 3D part via any interface, for example via STEP. You can select certain surfaces for the sheet metal part, for example a flange here at the front, or perhaps also on the back. OK, I now select an allowance method as usual, for example DIN standard neutral chamfer. You can also define your own allowance methods. Because of the spring back, I select a material and then create the development. Of course, I could have processed the part further in the sheet metal module or in the 3D module with bores, punching tools, molding tools and many other things. Let me go back again. We could also completely cover the 3D part with all surfaces. Here we choose Select Edges automatically. I've already chosen an allowance method and a material because of the spring back. Now I create the development. I could automatically display dimensions or other things in this development. If required, you could also create an overbend table, for example. You can see the alpha and alpha IB angles here. And perhaps you also need a DXF or DWG file, for example for the laser or punching machine. Therefore, I create a file from this development in DXF, DWG, TOPS-GEO or STEP format. Either just the outer and inner contour or completely with bend lines, bend zones, dimensions and so on. This means that any 3D part can be transformed into a sheet metal part with just a few mouse clicks and can also be developed.